Hi, my name is Juliet Susan. In this video, I'd like to share my reflections video on how learning shaped my thinking. The most impactful aspect for me was deontology, the emphasis on duty and moral obligation regardless of consequences. A specific discussion in my philosophy class about Kant's categorical imperative, the idea that certain actions are inherently right or wrong, irrespective of their outcomes, really resonated with me. Prior to this, my ethical considerations were heavily influenced by consequentialism, focusing primarily on the results of actions. Deontology introduced a crucial counterpoint: the intrinsic rightness or wrongness of actions themselves. It fundamentally altered my ethical framework. It wasn't just about achieving the best outcome anymore. It was about acting in accordance with moral principles. Even if the outcome wasn't immediately favorable, this involved a shared from a result oriented approach to a principle based one. I started to see the importance of upholding rules and duties, even it meant sacrificing potential sacrifice benefits. In my family, this has impacted how I approach conflicts. Previously, I might have focused on finding the solution that resulted in the least amount of conflict, even if it meant compromising my own values. Now, I'm more inclined to act in accordance with my principles of fairness and honesty, even if it leads to temporary discomfort or disagreement. I'm more deliberate in my actions, carefully considering not only the potentials consequences but also the intrinsic morality of my choices. This has led to more thoughtful decision making in my personal and academic life. For example, in group projects, in more assertive in advocating for fair contributions and ethical practices. Even it means potentially facing conflict, the emphasis on duty and moral obligation has become a guiding principle in my decision-making process.